night to enjoy the visuals of Sophie and also use the opportunity to learn more about her biography. Sophie is an American